Advisors Excel, we're a wholesale financial services firm. So we work with about 700, 650 independent financial advisors across the country. So we're just trying to provide these independent advisors with the right tools to help their clients have a successful retirement.
When we started Advisors Excel, we had 4 core principles of what we were trying to do. And the final one was always do the right thing. When we talk about our growth plan, it's where we help our advisors grow, we help our team grow, and we help grow our impact in the community. And that extension of being able to do a ton of different experiences in Topeka have been absolutely phenomenal.
Topeka Public Schools is a key partner for us and someone that we love to invest into. And probably one of the biggest things that Advisors Excel has done, I'm going to take it personal. And what I've been able to do is I've had the opportunity, the privilege to mentor 2 amazing young men at Highland Park High School, to text with them, to call with them, to have them reach out to me with questions. And so for me, it's the ability to reinvest into kiddos.
I think what makes Advisors Excel so special in our community is their dedication to serve and the way that they just give back without any expectation. We every fall do a coat and shoe drive. They provide brand new winter coats, shoes, hats, and gloves to all of our students at Sheldon and at Pine Ridge Prep, another event that they provide annually at the end of our school year called the AE Barnyard event. And this is where they essentially bring a petting zoo right onto our playground. It is such a cool learning experience that not only ties in with our standards and what we're learning about animals and life cycles at school, but also just gives our students an experience they might not receive otherwise.
The one thing that stands out to me is the Fun Free Friday program that they've helped us get started 8 years ago. What could we do if we provided every kid with a food bag to take home on the weekend? They believed in the program and took a chance on it. That program started with 1 school in Topeka 501, and over the next 3 years, we're able to expand it to a total of 3 schools. And today that program is going on its 8th year, and we are helping over 1,000 kids every week.
I would say Topeka School District's probably been one of our closest partners, and one of the areas that we've tried to have the most impact started 10-ish years ago, I think, when we identified where we wanted to start making an impact on kids. I think we started looking at some of the areas where we felt we could have an impact there. Really being able to work closely with all the different people that make up the infrastructure that take care of these kids.
Many of the things that we are doing today weren't there. It's been fantastic to work directly, as Cody said, with the administrative teams to say, do you have a dream? Or we have a dream. And we've seen that in our Topeka School District, there is a lot of openness to new concepts and creative concepts from the administrative teams that we've been connected with, and we're thankful for that.
I'm thrilled that Advisors Excel is receiving the Patron Award this year. They deserve it. They've had a strong commitment to Topeka Public Schools, to helping kids. They've been there to help us with our program to get started and be there to help us make that impact. These kids are our future. And if we can make an impact with these kids at a young age, and in the long run, if we can make that investment in those kids today, and Advisors Excel is doing that.
I am glad Advisors Excel is receiving this award because their ongoing commitment to serve and positively impact the community comes directly from the heart. And while that can't always be seen, it can be felt in so many ways. One of our community engagement partners at Advisors, Tracy Killow, reached out to me and shared that she had been in a different community setting and had seen several Sheldon students that had graduated, and they saw her there and they came running up to her and said, "I recognize you, I know you from my preschool." And we're talking students that were 3 and 4 years old that are now 7, 8, 9 years old. That shows the impact.
I think Cody and I are, humbly honored to accept the award, but I want to also be clear, we know what the award's really about. It's about the 1,300 teammates here at Advisors Excel, and it's about the work that you do each and every day that makes an enormous impact on the kids.
We believe in the community. I think, great schools are a huge, huge part of that. So the work that the foundation does, that the school district does, we're going to continue to do everything we can to be a great partner in that, because this is our home, and we want to see this city thrive. And we know that it takes a lot of different people to make that happen.